Hey, welcome back to Let's Play Guitar. I'm going to show you how to play 1,000 Years by Christina Perri. This song is very beautiful and it has a beautiful guitar in it. Before we start, make sure you put a capo on the 2nd fret. Alright, this way we're in the same key as the original song. And whatever I teach you, you can practice that by playing the song and then playing along with it. So this song is very easy to play because it uses very simple chords, and if you're a beginner then you should not have a lot of problems. Okay, so let's see. We begin the song with the intro. So we begin with G major, right? So how to play that: 3rd fret on the top string, 2nd fret on the 5th string, then open, open, and open on the 2nd string as well. We're not playing the 1st string, and you can mute that by just keeping your ring finger on the 1st string. So I'm not pressing it, just keeping it there, and that way it doesn't make any sound. Okay, so you can do that with your ring finger or your pinky finger. 2, 3. You're gonna strum 3 times. All right, 1, 2, 3. Then you come to D or F sharp. So to play that chord, you need 2nd fret on the top string. You can do that with your thumb, or you can do that with your index finger. And then you need middle finger on 2nd fret of the 4th string, of the 3rd string, sorry. So you're just playing strings 6, 5, 4, and 3. Now the correct way to play D over F sharp would be this, but we're gonna come to that later. For now, we're just using string 4, 5, 4, and 3, okay? Like that. So from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you come to the next chord, which is E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for E minor, you need these 2 fingers on the 2nd fret of the 5th and 4th strings. Okay, we're doing the same thing that we did on G, just muting the 1st string and not playing that one. So just playing to the 2nd string, alright? Sorry. 1, 2, 3, and the same D or F sharp chord. Now you come to C major. So very easy again. Now again, I'm muting the 1st string with my pinky finger, just keeping it over there to make sure it doesn't make any sound. So to play a C major, you need ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, middle finger is on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and this 1st finger is on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the 4th count, what I'm doing is I'm just playing till the 3rd string, okay? Because we want to make sure we get this note. So what we've learned so far is this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now we come to this again, back to G. And then to D. Okay, so 1, 2, and then 3. So we're just strumming twice on G. 1, 2, and for D major, you know how to play it. 3rd fret on the 2nd string, 2nd fret on the 4th string, open, open. Alright, and then you do this. And then we start with the verse. Okay, so what we're doing is playing the 3rd string open, playing the 4th string 4th fret, playing the 4th string open. So we've taken this from the piano because, as you know, all of this is being played on the piano, right? So what we've learned so far for the whole intro is this: 1, 2, 3. now we come to the verse of the song. You know, that's what's played in the song for the first verse, and then during the second verse they start strumming. So you can either do that, I'm going to show you how to do that picking, or you can start strumming if you find this difficult. Alright, so let's go into it. We start out with C at 9. So we play that chord, it's basically a C, but we want to make sure we get this important note over here, which is 3rd fret on the 2nd string with your ring finger. Okay, so this is important. The next note is 2nd fret on the 4th string, and then 3rd fret on the 5th string. That makes a C at 9. That's the basic picking that you want to do over here. You want to start with picking the 5th string, then picking the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th strings. Okay? Now you can do another thing. You can add another note over here after picking the 5th string, sorry. You can add the 3rd string again and then do this. So you get this, right? 3, 4. So do that 4 times, alright? If you don't want to do that, and if you're finding this difficult, what you can do is do a simple strum pattern, which is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. That's again an option that you can do. Okay, so after doing 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, you come to G. So for G major, you know how to play it already. 3rd fret on the top string, 2nd fret over here, even though you're not playing it, but it's still better to keep it just in case you hit the 5th string. So you hit the top string, and then this is the same. Okay, so and then you come to E minor. Just play it twice, alright? So you just need open on the top string, and then this is the same. 2nd fret over here and 2nd over here as well. So after picking twice on E minor, you come to D over F sharp and you do this. Okay, so basically you need 2nd fret on the top string, and your middle finger will be on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. So again the same thing, top string, and then this is the same. Okay, and then you come to this chord. For that you need 2nd fret on the 5th string, play the 5th string, and then this is the same. So when I'm saying the same, it just means 3rd string, 2nd string, 3rd string, and 4th string, because this part is the same for all chords, right? This part. I'm talking about the right hand. Now let's go over the verse once again from the beginning. It goes like this. I'm gonna go slow. 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. E minor, 1, 2, come to this, 3, then that ends your chord progression. Then you come back to C, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4. Now you come to the pre-chorus of the song, where we're gonna start strumming. This is the first time when we actually start strumming for the song. Pre-chorus goes like this. That's the pre-chorus, right? It's very short. So we start with A minor chord. Let's learn the strum pattern first. It's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Like I said before, open on the 5th string, second fret, first fret, open again. So we're now playing the lower strings as well. Okay, we're not going to mute the first string. Remember that? So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, again down, up, down, up. Then you can, if you want, you can just, you know, choose to add your pinky on the second fret of the first string, down, down, up. Okay, so from the beginning, for the pre-chorus, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so in the very end, down, up, you can add your pinky was on the second fret. It's optional. Then you go to this chord. Okay, so that's E minor 7. Basically, you're having these two fingers like G major, third fret, first and second string. So, and then these two, you know how to play the E minor chord. That becomes your E minor 7. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then just hit the D major with the first string as well, second fret of the first string as well. Okay, so let's review the pre-chorus once again. Start on A minor. Now we come to the chorus of the song. I've died every day. That's the chorus, okay? And then, you know, for the second chorus, this repeats again, or I think for the first chorus as well, it just repeats again. You know, the whole thing repeats again. So let's see how to play the chorus. So we on G major, third fret, second fret, third fret, third fret. The strum pattern is pretty basic. It goes like this: down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So 3 times, all right? And make sure to include the first strings as well, first 2 strings as well. So 1, 2, 3. On the 4th count, come to D or F sharp, so make sure you include that second fret over there on the top string. So from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to E minor 7. Okay, and do the same thing. Up, down, 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 up, down, up. Come back to D. Come to C now. C at 9. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Come back to G. Now here you can actually remove the ring finger, you know, and keep the B string open. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then on D major again. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And basically repeat this whole thing one more time. Da, 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 until you come to the end of the chorus. And then basically before you start the second verse, there's this, you know, instrumental section where you just keep strumming, and that strumming is happening on C at 9. Okay, so this chord, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, you know, and then she starts singing the second verse. So okay, so if you're performing, this thing is not necessary, but in case you want to do it, just strum on C at 9. After the first chorus, you come to the second verse, the second pre-chorus, the second chorus, you know, the whole thing, whatever we have learned so far basically, and then you come to the bridge of the song. That is very easy to play, and it goes like this. Repeat again. So you know how to play the strum pattern: down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, 4 times on the A-7 chord. So it's very easy to play. You got your C over here. You know how to play the C chord. Just remove the ring finger and keep the second string, the fifth string open. That's your A-7. Okay, down, down, up, down, down. I choose not to play the first string, so I mute that 4 times. 2, 1, step, E minor, 2, just twice over there, and then D, 1, 2. Okay, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Go back to this, beat again. Go to E-7, bring these to over here. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then the strum once on D. And then the rest is simple. Just go back to the chorus. So you play through the whole chorus, the final chorus, and then during the very end there is an outro of the song. Okay, so as I'm finishing the final chorus, now comes the outro, which goes like this. That will be the end of the song. Now, I've already explained how to do the picking over here in the verse, so please make sure to go to the verse to check out the picking. I'll leave the mark over here where you have to head to go to the verse, but still just gonna go through it. C add 9 4 times, 2, 3, 4, G, back to C add 9, okay? 4, 3, 4, now E minor, and then D, just hit once on D major, and then hit the strum once on C. That's to end the song. So I've told you how to do the chord changes for the outro. The right hand, the picking, please go to the verse because it's the same as that. Alright, so that makes the end of our lesson. If I helped you a bit, then please make sure to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys next time with another lesson. Till then, goodbye.